Get ready to elevate your drives with our 2025 Mazda CX-5 GS all-wheel drive. Available now at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. This sleek, versatile crossover is built to handle everything from serene weekend getaways along New Brunswick's scenic trails to hectic grocery runs in Fredericton. Comfortable, confident, and packed with upgrades, it's perfect for transforming the everyday into something extraordinary. Comfort. Imagine sinking into cozy heated seats surrounded by premium leather accents, no matter how chilly those early mornings get. Safety. Tackle rain-slicked back roads and tight city streets with advanced all-wheel drive, blind spot monitoring, and a crystal-clear rear camera. Tech. Need convenience? The power liftgate makes loading up easy, and there's plenty of space for family adventures or solo escapades. Plus, Jim Gilbert's isn't just about cars, it's about peace of mind. Enjoy our 12-month Huggable Guarantee, free CarFax, a full tank of gas, and even a chance to win fuel with our Spin-to-Win program. All this for less than $128 weekly, all in and on the road. Stop in today and experience why we're Canada's huggable car dealer.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer